guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a natural homemade remedy that would actually turn your lip into pink. Alright, so the thing is that it is not everybody that actually wants their lip looking pink, okay? So this video is for those people who want their lip to look pink. Now one of the reasons why you have a chapped, dark and freaky looking lip is because you don't really take care of your lip. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you a very cheap, simple and affordable homemade remedy that would help you and give you a very soft yet a pink lip. Okay, so how I'm going to be mixing this is what I'm going to be showing you. So let's dive into the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, thumbs up this video and share. Now let me walk you into the video. I'm going to be needing shea butter, and I have a whole lot of shea butter here. Okay, now shea butter is a great moisturizing remedy for a dry skin. It treats acne and blemishes, reduces inflammations, and it helps to make your lip really supple and soft. It moisturizes the lip, and it's also a great remedy that removes chapped and dry, flaky lips. And then we're going to also be making use of honey, guys. Now honey is a natural antibacterial property that helps to treat the skin. It is great in preventing dryness and roughness from the skin, and it's also a great remedy that creates a glow, suppleness and softness on the lip, and it will also make your lip really supple, pink and great. Now we're also going to be making use of almond oil. Okay, now almond oil is a great oil that leaves the skin moisturized. It helps to create a glow, and it also helps to remove chapped lip, and it will be really beneficial in removing all manner of dark lips, okay, by exfoliating it alongside with other natural ingredients. Then we're going to be making use of vitamin E capsule. A vitamin E capsule is a great remedy for a chapped lip. It's great in removing cracked lips, and it also helps to moisturize the lip, therefore making your lip really soft, supple and shiny. Now we're also going to be making use of sugar. Now because sugar has a smaller granite particles, it helps to scrub out dead skin cells from the skin, making your lip really soft and supple. And it's also a great remedy that works wonders in rejuvenating and removing large pores, removing dirt from the skin and from the lip, and it will also scrub out the chappedness, the dryness from the lip. Alright, so for the shea butter, we're going to be scooping in some quantity of shea butter into this mix. We're going to be using about 1 tablespoon of honey, so I'm going to be scooping 2 of this because this is a teaspoon. So we're going to try to mash it together at first so that we can get the shea butter dissolved into the mixture. Alright, so we're going to be cutting in the vitamin E capsule and pressing that into this mix. Then we're going to be putting in some drops of the almond oil, and now we're just going to mix it really well. Okay guys, so 1 tablespoon of sugar, would be perfect for this. And then we would have to mix all the ingredients together. And this is really great, guys. So what you are going to do is that you can transfer this mix into a container, a very small container. Alright guys, so I'm going to be turning this into this container. Okay, so you have to turn it into a very small container so that you would have to store it and use it. So I'm going to be closing this, and you can store this in the refrigerator for some days and it's going to stay. Okay. Alright guys, so here it is. Now you can actually store this in your fridge, and of course you shouldn't store it more than 5 days. This is how it looks like. Okay, that looks like, yep. Okay, and what you do is that you grab this and you would have to scrub. Now because of the shea butter and also the vitamin E, you can store it for up to 2 weeks and then you have to continue using it. Okay, so every morning you just take it and then apply it like that. Alright, so what this is going to do is that it's going to exfoliate all of the dead skin on your lip, and your lip is going to be looking really supple and soft. Okay, make sure to apply a generous amount because these things are natural and you need to start seeing the results. Okay, so you have to rub it and scrub it really well. Okay, so after that I would have to wash it, and then I would be showing you how my lip is. Okay, so there's nothing on my lip, and let me wash it and I'll be back. Okay guys, so this is how it looks like. Really lighter than the way it was. Okay, there is absolutely nothing on my lip. It is not painted. This is natural, and when you're consistent in using this, guys, you are going to be seeing the result, because you're going to be seeing that your lip is going to begin to, you know, get soft, because this is going to be peeling off all of those dead skin, and then your lip is going to get softer and softer, and before you know it, I mean, your lip is actually pink. Sometimes it might not be red, like pink, but of course it's not going to be very black the way it used to be. But of course, if you love dark lip, because I know there are some people who love their lip being dark, this video is definitely not for you. This video is for people who love their lip looking pink. Okay, so that's it guys. Use that and, you know, scrub out all of those dead stuff on your lip. And the things that consistency is one of the key to natural homemade remedy. Okay, you are going to see a huge lot of difference, a huge lot of improvement, and a huge lot of you know, pinkish looking lip when you're always consistent in applying this and scrubbing out all of those stuff, and you are going to be loving your results at last. Okay, so if you did enjoy watching the video, please don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up and share this video, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay flawlessly beautiful. Bye guys.